So our first product for today is rosemary. So we're going to be using rosemary because it helps to stimulate hair growth by increasing blood circulation to hair follicles. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation and pain. It also helps to treat dandruff and scalp irritation. Next, we're going to need our basil. Basil contains inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps to prevent hair loss by strengthening the strands of your hair. It also helps to treat dandruff. It also helps to prevent premature graying of your hair. Next, you're going to need some mint leaf. Mint leaf is rich in menthol, which stimulates increased blood flow to the scalp, and hair roots, which promotes healthy hair follicles and longer, fuller hair. Next on the list is our fenugreek seed. Fenugreek is a rich source of iron and protein. It also contains some anti-inflammatory properties which helps to treat scalp irritation and dandruff. It also helps to moisturize hair strands and add shine. And finally, for the herbs, we're going to be adding our black seeds, which promotes hair growth. It also protects against hair thinning. It has antifungal properties and antibacterial properties as well. So I'm going to be adding different types of oil to this butter. First, I'm going to be adding my shea butter because it adds moisture and shine. It also helps to soften your hair. It stimulates hair growth. It reduces hair breakages and it prevents hair loss. Next is my olive oil, which is high in antioxidant content. It helps maintain scalp and hair health, and it also helps to condition the hair. Next is my Atili oil. I'm going to insert the botanical name for you guys to check it out. It helps to reduce hair breakages, it treats itchy scalp, it stimulates hair growth, it also adds shine and moisture to your hair. This oil is very common in the north, especially around Plateau if you're in Nigeria. Next, I'm going to be adding my emulsifier, which will help to bind our oil and water phase together. Since we're making a conditioning butter, I'm going to be introducing the water phase into this as well. So I'm going to be adding some water and some aloe vera gel into this mixture as well. I first added my emulsifying wax. Now I'm adding my cetearyl alcohol into the mix as well. This will help to give my butter a slurry look. You guys are going to see how everything is going to turn out in the end. So I'm going to be doing the double boiling method because I don't want to burn off all the nutrients. So like I said, I'm going to be doing the double boiling method. So I'm going to place it in hot water for it to melt completely, and also for the herbs to be able to infuse into the oil properly. So yeah, we're just going to allow it to do its thing, guys. So to make our water phase, I'm going to start by adding some xanthan gum. This will help to give our mixture a slurry look. You guys are going to see everything. It's also going to add to how the butter is going to turn out at the end. So I added xanthan gum. Now I'm going to be adding some glycerin just to give it a good mix, just like this. We're trying to create a slurry paste. This will also help to viscosify our water phase before we mix it with our oil phase. Next, I'm going to be adding my water. Like I said, I want to have a viscous, fluid viscous water phase, so that's why I'm doing this. As you guys can see, my water is getting more viscous. So guys, this is my aloe vera gel that I just extracted. You can extract it however you like. So I'm going to be adding some aloe vera gel into the mix, and also this water. To also do the double boiling method just to heat it up a bit so they'll be on the same temperature. So guys, this is my oil. As you can see, it's done melting, or I decided to just put it on low heat for a few more minutes before I let it sit, then sieve before I start making my butter. So guys, this is what my oil face is looking like. Now I'm going to sieve it to remove all the chaff, all the herbs in it. I want just the oil, so I'm going to be sieving it now. So this is the sieve that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be sieving it into this bowl.